If you've been around for a while, you know how I am when it comes to adding a new luxury handbag to my collection. Well, all of my rules went completely out the window this time. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you what I think is the current it bag. It is so beautiful, so on trend, and just exactly what my wardrobe needed. I feel like there has definitely been a shift on how we dress on a regular basis now. I feel like the last few years, it has completely changed. I know for me, it definitely has. Yes, style is always evolving, but I feel like just with COVID and just everything changing, our lives are a lot different. I don't know about you, but I dress a lot more casually than I used to several years ago. I used to wear heels on a regular basis. I used to go in the office on a regular basis. Now that I work from home, I want to be comfortable, but I still want to look cute and polished and just a little bit more edgy. If you've seen some of my recent videos and some of the new pieces that I've added to my collection, my wardrobe, my accessories, I feel like I am doing a mix of modern, classic, modern, edgy, classic, edgy. Adding accessories that add just a little touch of trend, a little touch of edge can really elevate a very simple classic wardrobe, especially with the way that I dress. And I feel like this handbag is the perfect piece to add to your luxury handbag collection and if you're wanting to add a new piece. So let's go ahead and dive in. I would love to know before I get started, as you can see, it is a Prada bag. Can you guys guess which bag it is? Let me know down in the comments before you continue to watch forward. I would love to know if any of you know what handbag that I'm referring to. I will say I did buy this in store. I bought this in Dallas and I was a little bit bummed that they didn't give me a bag box for this. They just put it in a dust bag. So I'm not gonna have a box to pull out, but I do have a dust bag to pull out. This is the dust bag that we have right here. You can already see the shape. So let me go ahead and just open her up because she is so dang beautiful. This is my newest piece and I do not have anything like this, you guys. I do not have anything like this. Yes, the color I do, but the shape and the silhouette I do not. This kind of crescent look is very, very on trend, but also kind of ode to like kind of vintage styles. So I feel like this silhouette, even though it is very, very much on trend, I feel like it's just kind of like a classic silhouette. I feel like when Fendi came back with the kind of canvas pieces, this is kind of a ode to that in my opinion, but just done Prada's way. You've got some gold hardware here. As you can see, I really, really love the shape. You can always wear it on this side if you want to do no logos, but if you want a little touch of Prada, you have that here as well. I'm gonna open it up and I will say I was surprised with how roomy this piece is. That was one of the things that I wanted to make sure my phone fit. I wanted to make sure all my essentials fit, and surprisingly it all does. So this is the strap that comes with it. I'll show you that in just a minute, but let me go ahead and pull out all of the stuffing so you can see how large she is inside. You've got one slip pocket back there. I'll probably never use that, but there is the interior there. And just for size, I'll go ahead and show you. This is my iPhone. It's the 13 Pro, but not the big one. That is my iPhone in there. As you can see, there is plenty of space in there. I definitely can fit this as well as any other essentials. Lip gloss, my little wallet fits in there just fine. All of my essentials basically fit in there, no problem. And I love that it is a lighter bag. And then of course, let me show you the strap that it comes with. I don't honestly think I will wear the strap very often. I'm not a fan with how that it attaches to the bag. I've seen a couple of ways that people have worn it. If you guys want me to share different ways that you can use the strap on this particular bag, let me know in the comments and I can do a little video for that. But it is adjustable. As you can see, you've got gold hardware, you've got the gold hooks, but the standard way to do it, even though there are a couple of other ways that I've seen people do it, the standard way to do it is to hook it on these little hooks that are right here. Part is kind of like the gold hardware here on the strap, and then you do it like that. I don't know why. I think that looks kind of funny to me. Probably if I brought this down to the smallest and this opening was a little bit smaller, maybe I would like it. But if I'm being honest, I'm not a big fan of it right there. I just feel like it looks a little bit awkward. For me, I'm gonna primarily wear this handheld without the strap attached, but of course I'll keep the strap just to have. But like I said, if you guys want me to show you a few different ways to wear it with the strap, let me know. So there you have it, my newest handbag and what I truly consider to be the current it bag. I feel like this shape is so on trend. It does come in 3 or 4 different leathers. So I actually originally wanted to get this in the cream color. You guys know I gravitate towards that, and I couldn't find it. I couldn't find it anywhere. I saw it on the website and I almost exchanged this one for the lighter beige color. And then all of a sudden the beige color disappeared. And then I ended up styling this with an outfit and I kind of fell in love. So I decided to go and keep this one, but I just love it so much. I'll link it down below for you guys if you guys want to check it out yourself. It does come in 2 different sizes and this is the largest size. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda. I do a lot of fashion and luxury videos here. So join the YouTube family, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, and also make sure to follow me on Instagram as well as TikTok, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.